In recent years, there has been a lot of misinformation circulating about diabetes. This has led to many misconceptions about diabetes. And as a result, many people are needlessly suffering. In this video, we are going to set the record straight. We'll be diving into the latest research to uncover the truth about diabetes. By the end, you'll have a much better understanding of this condition and what you can do to manage it effectively. If you've ever been diagnosed with diabetes, you know that it's a serious condition that requires careful management. But what exactly is diabetes? And what causes it? There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes, also known as juvenile diabetes or insulin-dependent diabetes, is a form of diabetes that occurs when the body doesn't produce enough insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps the body regulate blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, is a form of diabetes that occurs when the body doesn't properly use insulin. There are a number of other less common types of diabetes as well, such as gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy, and pre-diabetes, which is a condition that can lead to type 2 diabetes. So what causes diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is thought to be caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, is thought to be caused by a combination of obesity, genetic factors, and lifestyle choices. There is no one single cure for diabetes. Instead, treatment for diabetes focuses on managing blood sugar levels through diet, exercise.
There are a lot of myths and misconceptions out there about diabetes. Let's set the record straight about what causes this disease. Diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when there is too much sugar in the blood. The body is unable to produce enough insulin to properly regulate blood sugar levels. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease in which the body does not produce insulin. It typically develops in childhood or adolescence. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of the disease. It occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin, or the cells cannot use insulin properly. Insulin resistance. It often develops in adulthood but is now being seen in children and adolescents as well. There are also several other less common types of diabetes, such as gestational diabetes, which occurs during pregnancy. The exact cause of diabetes is unknown, but it is believed to be a combination of genetic and environmental factors. If you have diabetes, it is important to see your doctor regularly and receive the proper treatment to control your blood sugar levels. With proper management, you can live a long and healthy life.
We all know that one of the main causes of diabetes is being overweight. But did you know that weight gain can actually be a symptom of diabetes? That's right, if you are diabetes and weight gain often go hand in hand, with one leading to the other. If you are carrying around extra weight, it can put a strain on your insulin levels, which can lead to diabetes. On the other hand, if you have diabetes, it can cause weight gain. That's because when your blood sugar is high, your body tries to get rid of the excess sugar by excreting it through your urine. This process can lead to dehydration, which can in turn cause weight gain. So if you're struggling to manage your weight, it could be a sign that you have diabetes. And if you have diabetes, managing your weight is essential to keeping your condition under control. So if you're feeling like you're in a never-ending battle with the scales, it's time to talk to your doctor about getting tested for diabetes. Diabetes is a complex disease that can be difficult to understand. There are many different factors that can contribute to the development of diabetes. And sugar is one of them. Sugar can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to insulin resistance and eventually diabetes. However, it is important to note that sugar is not the only cause of diabetes. Other factors such as genetics, obesity, and inactive lifestyle can also contribute to the development of this disease.
It's no secret that diabetes is a serious disease. But what exactly is it? And more importantly, what can be done to treat it? Diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when there is too much sugar glucose in the blood. This can happen for a variety of reasons. But the most common cause is when the body does not produce enough insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps to regulate blood sugar levels. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed in children and young adults, while type 2 diabetes usually develops in adults over the age of 40. There is no cure for diabetes, but it can be managed with medication, diet, and exercise. Treatment focuses on lowering blood sugar levels and preventing complications such as heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage. If you think you may have diabetes, it's important to see a doctor for a diagnosis. We all know that diabetes is a serious medical condition that can lead to a host of health complications. But did you know that there are a lot of myths and misconceptions about diabetes that can actually do more harm than good? For example, many people believe that diabetes is a death sentence. But the truth is, with proper treatment and management, people with diabetes can live long and healthy lives. Another common myth is that people with diabetes can't eat sugar. This is simply not true. People with diabetes can enjoy sweets in moderation, as long as they keep their blood sugar levels under control. Finally, some people think that diabetes is contagious. But again, this is not the case. Diabetes is not an infectious disease, so you can't catch it from someone else.